Today we have a Transit Custom 2018 model for an upgrade with a new CarPlay system which we'll be installing. We'll be seeing the end result very soon. We'll be installing a Sony DAB stereo using Connects to fitting kit, which provides the fascia and the steering control adapter to retain the volume controls on the steering wheel. So here we have the finished product. The sound system made by Sony is now fully installed, looking very nice in there. The steering controls on the steering wheel will actually work with the new unit. Back to the screen here, you've got the mapping system, all touchscreen. Go back to the home, you've got your radio, your DAB+, your Bluetooth, your phone options. You've got normal radio in the unit as well.